We have a new sight word to learn today, so we'll go over our new sight word, review some old ones, and then it'll be your turn to do your work on the worksheet. This one will look a little bit different from the ones we typically do because the other program didn't have width on it. And then after you write your sentence and do your worksheet, you will work on your Journeys Reader's Notebook. All right, let's go over our daily learning objective, our DLO. I'll go first. Today I will read and write the sight word with. Now it's your turn. Today I will read and write the sight word with. All right, I have some sight words up here that we're going to be using in our sentence today. And on your worksheet, there isn't a good place to write your sentence. So when you tear it off, I just want you to write it on the back. So whoever your helper is, just draw some lines for them to write their sentence, kind of like I did. You could use a marker, you could use a pencil. That way they can get their sentence written. All right, let's review the sight words that we're using today. I'll play half the song for come. C-O-M-E, come.
C-O-M-E, come play ball with me. C-O-M-E, come and climb a tree.
That was just a quick review. Me, how do you spell me? M-E, me. The song is capital I spells I and I is about me, M-E. We're using me today. 2, 21. We'll just do a quick, just beginning of it. 2.
T-O spells two. T-O spells two. T-O spells two. I like to sing to you.
Telling you, we're just doing the quickies today. The, T-H-E, the. That is
T-H-E, T-H-E. That's how to spell the, you see. We write the in sentences and read it in books too. I can spell the, how about you?
the. Alright. Some is our bonus word. It's just a bonus word. S-O-M-E, some. Change the C to S and come turns into some. Change the C to S and come turns into some. We, let's spell it. W-E, we. My, M-Y, my. M-Y, M-Y spells the little word my.
M-Y, M-Y spells the little word my. M-Y is such a small word. My dog, my cat, my house, my friends, I use my all of the time.
My, M-Y. That one, C. S-E-E.
S-E-E, S-E-E. I can spell C. I can spell C.
Stop right there. And. A-N-D, and.
A-N-D, and A-N-D, and I can spell and. I can spell and.
That's enough. That. The word is a. The letter is A. Here's a hot dog in a bun. I can only eat just one. Like.
L-I-K-E spells like. L-I-K-E spells like. Hi-ho, did you know L-I-K-E spells like?
All right, that's just a quick warm-up. And our new sight word, with. Excuse me. With doesn't have a song, sadly. All right, there's 4 letters in with. We've got W, just like when we use W in the word we. We have I, we know I, T, we know T, and H we learned yesterday. So we know 3 of the letters, and we've practiced the other one, even though we haven't learned W officially yet. So with, I will spell it and read it 1 time, and then we'll do it together 3 times. I'll go first. W-I-T-H, with. Now it's your turn. Say it with me. Excuse me. W-I-T-H, with. 2 more times. Excuse me. W-I-T-H, with. 1 more time. W-I-T-H, with. And I'll just point one thing out. TH at the end says so this is a true sight word because you cannot sound it out. It would be wahita. Wahita? That's not a word. So TH, just like in the, I cover up the E, TH here says is a, what did I just say? A digraph. And so a digraph is when 2 consonants stand together to make a new sound. And TH is special because it makes 2 sounds. It can say for the, which is voiced. You can hear it. You can feel it vibrating. And then with, where it's just air coming out of your mouth. Fun fact, we'll learn that later in the year. But it only takes a second to talk about it. All right, we're going to write a sentence. Like I said before, you'll write this sentence on the back of your paper because there's no writing lines. So let's get going. My sentence today is, can you come with me to the park? Now that is a question, so we'll use our question mark, which I lost my question mark board. But you've all been doing really well on your assessment so far, so I know most of you already know your question marks. I'll use green today. Can. I can stretch out can. Put your fist up. Say can. Let's stretch it out. K. An. One more time. K. An. K. 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 What says K? C. Capital C touches the sky, touches the ground. K. Ah. Ah. What says ah? A. What says N? Good. Can. Finger space. U. Y-O-U. U. It will be a sight word one day, but we haven't quite learned yet. So, y. I need a finger space. Slant right. Slant left. Y-O. O is easy. We've learned it in come and to. Any more? Nope, just those ones. U. U is short. It's down, up, down. Can you come? How do I spell come? Let me look at my sight word card. C-O-M-E. Finger space. C-O-M-E. Can you come to, finger space, 2 is a short word, it's only 2 letters. I can fit it. 2, how do I spell 2? Let me look at my sight word. I have this over here. How do I spell 2? T-O. Finger space, T, down, across the fence, O. I ran out of space. What should I do? Go to the next line. Let's read what we have so far. Can you come to, I had something else written down, but we'll just leave it like this. Can you come to the park with me? The park with me will be the rest. Can you come to the, how do I spell the? T-H-E. T-H. E, T-H-E, T-H-E. That sounds too spelled out. You see? Can you come to the park? Finger space. P-A-R-K. Down, kick in, kick out. Can you come to the park with, my new sight word with, W, down, up, I, down, dot, T, down, cross, H, down, hump. Can you come to the park with me? How do I spell me? M-E, finger space. M is down, hump, hump, E, over, up, and around. I asked a question. What punctuation will I put at the end of my question? A period, exclamation point, or a question mark? I'm asking a question. I'll use a question mark. Question mark. We do a candy cane straight down and add a period. Let's read this sentence together and I'll go over our worksheet. I'll go first. Can you come to the park with me? Now it's your turn. Read it with me. Can you come to the park with me? Nice work. Okay, now I'm going to scoot you in so you can see how to do our worksheet. I'll show you the easy part first. In your Journeys Reader's Notebook, you will turn to page 72 and fill in the blank. See blank cat. What makes sense? See with cat or see my cat? See my cat. See my cat with a can. See my cat with a mat. See my cat. So you have to fill it in. So that's page 72. All right, our new with page, because we just didn't have a one that looked like this. Let me get my magnet. Here we go. Don't forget to write your name. Mrs. Hawkins. Write the word. You'll write it 3 times. Oops. Let's get closer. There we go. With. W-I-T-H. And just due to time, I'm not going to write it, but you will write it 3 times. Color the word. You can use crayons or your markers, and you'll just color it in. Trace it down with, I'm using a marker, but you can use your crayons or colored pencils. With. You'll color it twice. Circle the word. You've done this on the other one. With. Find it, circle it. Find it, circle it. Cut and paste the word. You do know how to do that. So you'll cut it out. I'm not going to show you because I only have 1.5 minutes left. But you know, cut across. These are scrambled up. Make sure that when you glue them, that the letters are facing the right way. Some of you have been gluing the letters upside down. And if we have an upside down letter, then it's not the proper way. And then the last one is trace it. You know how to trace it. Down, up, down, dot, T-H. Then, after you finish the front, I want your helper to turn it over, and they can just draw writing lines for you. You'll need a couple of them because our sentence is a little long today. And then you'll copy our sentence. I'll start it. Can, C-A-N, finger space, you, come, C-O-M-E, come, and you'll finish the sentence. I've only got 30 seconds left. So after you've done the front side, turn it over and have your helper trace some lines for you to write your sentence. Our new sight word is with. W-I-T-H, with.